I write homework daily. I wrote homework yesterday. I will write homework tomorrow. I am writing homework now. I have written homework. We write homework daily. We wrote homework yesterday. We will write homework tomorrow. You are writing homework now. You have written homework. You write homework daily. You wrote homework yesterday. You will write homework tomorrow. You are writing homework now. You have written homework. They write homework daily. They wrote homework yesterday. They will write homework tomorrow. They are writing homework now. They have written homework. He writes homework daily. He wrote homework yesterday. He will write homework tomorrow. He is writing homework now. He has written homework. She writes homework daily. She wrote homework yesterday. She will write homework tomorrow. She is writing homework now. Raju has written homework. Raju writes homework daily. Raju wrote homework yesterday. Raju will write homework tomorrow. Raju is writing homework now. Raju has written homework. We are learning English with Srinivasa in Mary Memorial High School, Near Ballur.